Hey lovely people, ever wish you could wave a magic wand and your split ends would just vanish? We've all been there, right? Well, get ready because today we're going to get up close and personal with your hair and send those pesky split ends packing. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! You know, there's a study out of University of Missouri, right? Published in 2018, it shows that lack of moisture and overstyling your hair can lead to split ends. So, the first thing we need to do is tackle this dehydration situation. Consider it like this. Your hair is like a plant, and without enough water, the ends begin to wither. For our hair plant, we're going to use deep conditioning hair masks. You can easily find these masks in stores or make your own at home. Here's how you apply it. First, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Then, on towel-dried hair, apply the hair mask from the middle to the ends. Remember, don't put it on your scalp. Put on your shower cap and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Rinse it off, and voila! Your hair is hydrated, and you're one step closer to saying goodbye to split ends. Next, let's talk about trimming. Yes, I know, it might sound scary, but stick with me. Regular trimming is a proven way to get rid of split ends. It's like chopping off the bad to let the good thrive. And don't just take my word for it. Folks at Cleveland Clinic back in 2017, they confirmed that regular trims can indeed prevent split ends. Sounds good, right? For this, you'll need a good pair of hair shears. Not your regular scissors, and a comb. And please, if you don't feel confident, it's always better to go to a professional. But if you're up for it, here's how you do it. First, comb your hair and divide it into sections. Hold a section, twist it, and the split ends will pop out. Then, gently trim these off with your shears. Do this every 6 to 8 weeks, and you're golden. Now, wasn't that a fun ride, folks? We bet you're ready to tackle those split ends like a pro. If you loved this guide, show us some love by subscribing, sharing this video, and dropping your comments below. Can't wait to hear about your hair victories. Until next time, keep rocking that beautiful hair of yours.